Hey fANNE-atics, today I'm creating my Little Bo Peep Halloween look. Soft, sweet, and a little glam. So let's get started. Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm going to be doing a Little Bo Peep makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's get started. First, I'm starting out with my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, just fixing them up and getting them nice and defined. You guys know that I have been using this brow product for years. Next, I'm taking the Dior Forever Skin Corrector Concealer and using that to prime my lids for eyeshadow. This gives everything a smooth base and primes the eyeshadow to stay on all day. And then I'm setting it with a little powder so it doesn't crease. Now for the eyes. I'm grabbing my Too Faced Holiday Palette and taking that transition shade right into my crease. I just want to add a little bit of pink first to show some color, and then I'm going to be using the Norvina palette. I'm picking up that pretty purple shade from the Norvina palette and blending it from the outer crease to the inner crease, keeping it nice and diffused. First, I focus on the outer portion of my eye, and then you'll see later in this video that I'm going to be bringing it down to my lower lash line. For the lids, I'm taking that soft pink shade and patting it on. Then I'm going to be layering a lighter pink from the Too Faced palette toward the inner corner for that extra pop. And then I'm going back in with the Norvina palette. I'm taking the deeper purple shade and using it to shape out a wing. It really pulls the whole eye look together. Now onto the face. I'm starting with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum for hydration. Then my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation for that perfect base. And I'm blending it all over my face. And make sure to blend down your neck as well. Using the Dior Concealer again under my eyes, forehead, chin, and nose, and setting it all with my Prada Pressed Powder. But first I'm going to be blending it out with my Beauty Blender. But I am skipping the sides of my face so my bronzer blends easier later, because it is kind of a struggle to blend a cream contour onto a powder. And now for contour, I'm using my Makeup by Mario contour stick. Even on my nose for a little shape. I do love a cute little nose. Yes, I know it's not necessary, but it's my personal preference. I like it. And then after, I'm setting it with my YSL bronzer. And please make sure to blend so there are no harsh lines. Then I'm taking that same purple shade from the Norvina palette and blending it along my lower lash line, adding my black pencil liner to the waterline after. I know some people would think to add like a white line to the waterline, but this is just my take on it. So then I'm going to be adding my black NYX eyeliner to draw little bottom lashes for that doll-like look. And next, curling my lashes and popping on my velour individual lashes that I got from Ulta. Now for some faux freckles. I'm dipping into my YSL bronzer with a tiny brush and dotting them across my nose and cheeks. And then after, to blend them in and make it a little bit more realistic, I'm going to also be adding some color while I'm at it. And I'm using my Makeup by Mario powder blush, just on the apples of my cheeks and sweeping it a little bit upwards. And a little bit on my nose too. And then finishing with a touch of highlighter on my nose, my inner corner, under my brow, on the bridge of my nose, and last on my cheekbones. Last for lips, I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Pencil in Wherever Walnut and topping it with ColourPop's Rapunzel Lip Gloss for that sweet, rosy finish. And that's it. To complete the look, I'm adding my little hat and of course my lamb friend, can't forget about her, perfect for Little Bo Peep. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Halloween looks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will be sharing this look all over my social media. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, right? And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, fANNE-atics. Mwah. Oh. Mwah.